Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into USAA secure method step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for USAA's official website. Press enter on your keyboard to access the site. Once the homepage loads, look for the log on button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the log on button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login screen. Here, enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field below. Make sure to check your entries for accuracy. For added security, look for the option to use two-factor authentication. If you have this feature enabled, you will receive a verification code. Enter the code in the prompted field when you receive it. After entering the correct information, click on the Log On button to continue. You will be taken to your USAA account dashboard upon successful login. If you encounter any issues, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to reset your credentials if necessary. Always make sure to log out from your account after use for security purposes. Consider accessing your account from a secure network to protect your information. Now you're ready to manage your USAA account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.